All right, this one's the unbelievable find of the day. I mean, unbelievable. Oh, Lord. I bet you it'll bring over $3,000. And it's not a $1,500 car on a good day, y'all. I dropped the freaking key. Y'all, this is a 1999 Ford Taurus GL with 98,000 miles. And I mean, you could eat off this damn thing. It's so clean. So clean. I mean, what great transportation. I used to own one of these in the Mercury Sable counterpart, a 99. Had about the same miles. I bought it from a little old lady that lived across the street from me. It was the best road car. I mean, it was a sled. Kind of like my police Chevrolet. It was a sled. But I just love these things. I know they're ugly as sin. The 1996 redesign was very controversial with the oval rear window and the round, googly, ugly bug-eye headlights. But dude, I just loved how these cars ran and drove. I mean, they're just great transportation. And this thing has held up remarkably, stunningly well for its age. Oh, yeah. Just the 3-liter old Vulcan V6. This is not the 3.8. I haven't looked under the hood, but I can tell by the way it feels. Plus, I think the 3.8 came on the higher trim levels. This is really like a rental car equipped. Plastic hubcaps. We got basic, just... God, but it runs good. Oh, man. Is that unbelievable? Tell me the AC works. Unbelievable. Nice car. So cool, man. I mean, just so cool. I get excited when I see old shit like this. Yeah, air works good. Nice and cold. I mean, the glass is just like crystal clear. I mean, it does have a steering wheel cover on the steering wheel, but I mean, the steering wheel looks good under it. Somebody probably just put it on to get a little more thickness out of it. What just a really cool car. Let's do a little walk around. This one is worthy of thy walk around. Very worthy. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Decent tires. The headlights aren't awful. They're not great, but they're not awful. I mean, is that not rental car spec hubcaps? Oh, bummer. Little scuff, and you can see where they hit it with a little spray paint to cover it up. It's not too bad. Just a little bit. Damn. Oh, look at there. Look at that baby. Notes for the mechanic that changed the oil. I do hate when dealers come in here and detail these things and just slather them with this, you know, Armor All crap. But it smells good under here. Don't smell any coolant. Don't smell any burning oil. I think she's a good one. Think she would be a good one. I'll be very interested to see what this brings tomorrow. By the time, let's see, this is one of the Subaru dealers that runs late in auction. I probably already have bought all I wanted by then. But what a cool old car. Love an old Taurus. Who doesn't, man? Come on. Uh-oh, we got some VW Audis getting out here, getting ready for the Volkswagen sale later this month. What a rig. What a rig. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. Peace.